Welcome to the hit new game show. 'Tis the season where two teams of players compete in nonsensical trivia questions unrelated to anything of importance in hopes to win prizes, medals, trophies, and merchandise of yours truly while raising money for local Ephrata families in the process. I'm your host, Mr. Marzak, and here is 'Tis the Season. The rules are simple. I'm going to ask questions related to absolutely nothing and are frankly pointless. However, the team that answers those questions correctly first will win the round with 300 points. However, if you answer incorrectly, you will lose 300 points and look like a cotton-headed ninny-muggin. So, answer carefully. Additionally, these questions have absolutely nothing to do with Christmas or any other holiday for that matter. And are we ready to play 'Tis the Season? Well, son of a nutcracker, let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of 'Tis the Season, Season 2, You'll Be Sorry. Why don't we get to know our participants for this round? Let's start over here with Mr. Poet.
Hi, I'm Mr. Poet, and we are Poetic Justice.
I'm Robbie.
I'm Aiden. And I'm Ben.
And over here we have...
Dr. Harding, and we are Lenny and the Jets.
Yeah, with who else?
Josh.
Robbie with an IE.
And Colin.
Okay, shall we dive into these questions? Your first question is 12 drummers drumming. Here goes. Which boxer is being rebellious in the country that the Boxer Rebellion took place? All right. Is it Manny Pacquiao littering in the Philippines? Is it George Foreman listening to loud music in China? Is it Oscar de la Hoya smoking cigarettes in South Africa? Or is it Floyd Mayweather loitering in Germany? They went with?
George Foreman in China.
They're going with George Foreman in China. The correct answer is George Foreman in China for 300 points.
Robbie's IE.
11 pipers piping. Here goes. Now it's time for your math question of the day. Get your paper and pencils ready. If each of the Chicks, formerly known as the Dixie Chicks, ate 60 pixie sticks, how many pixie sticks did the Chicks eat? Was it 400 pixie sticks, 120 pixie sticks, 180 pixie sticks, 240 pixie sticks?
180.
They're going with 180. Correct answer is 180 pixie sticks. That is correct. All right, 10 Lords a Leaping. Here goes. It's time for everyone's least favorite question. Octopus, coffee, Queen Elizabeth, or Frankenstein? One of those choices must be the answer. Here goes. Important part of the inspiration for the invention of the first webcam. Is it an octopus, a coffee, Queen Elizabeth, or Frankenstein? Tim.
Coffee.
Coffee. Correct answer is coffee for 300 points. That is correct. They wanted to see when the coffee was done, so they put a camera there so they could see from afar. 9 ladies dancing. Which hip-hop move best demonstrates the proper hygienic way to sneeze in public as set out by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention? Is it the Dougie, popping and locking, the Humpty Dance, or dabbing?
Dabbing.
All right, heard it over there first. That is correct. It is dabbing. Is correct. 8 maids a milking. Here goes. Just like Gaston was the winner of the Nobel Prize, which of the following very unlikely things is most impossible? Dr. Oz winning the Nobel Prize for medicine, Dr. Phil winning the Nobel Prize for psychology, Bill Nye winning the Nobel Prize for chemistry,
Bill Nye winning
or
for
Dr. Dre
chemistry.
winning the Nobel Prize for literature. And they went with? They're going with Bill Nye? That is incorrect. You have 5.
Dr. Dre.
Dr. Dre is also incorrect. The correct answer is Dr. Phil because currently there is no Nobel Prize for psychology.
There should be.
All right. 7 swans a swimming. Here goes. Two animals don't make a right, however, they do sometimes. Which of these animals did I just make up? Turtle dove, bumblebee bat, kangaroo rat, or elephant hog? Five.
Bumblebee bat.
Bumblebee bat is incorrect. You have three.
Don't talk anymore, Mr. Poet.
I'm done.
Turtle dove?
Turtle dove is incorrect. All right, the correct answer is an elephant hog. An elephant hog. 6 geese a laying. Here goes. Steve from Blue's Clues is wrongly charged with murder, and Blue must mount a desperate defense for the trial. What kind of clues is Blue looking for? All right, exculpatory evidence, inadmissible evidence, inculpatory evidence, anecdotal evidence.
First one.
The first one. First one is correct. For 300 points. Leaving us now with 5 golden rings. Here's your 5 golden rings question. It is a this or that question. All right, the rules are simple. I will give you a clue. You will need to decide with your team which category it belongs to. Your choices are, was it A, leading male on The Bachelor, or a brand of beef stick? All right? Bachelor or beef stick? Bachelor or beef stick? Let's see what we have. Are we ready? Jack Links.
Beef steak.
Beef stick is correct for 300 points. Ben Higgins.
Bachelor.
Bachelor is correct. Armor Eric.
Beef stick.
Beef stick is correct for 300 points.
Bachelor.
Okay, didn't even have to read it. That is correct. It is The Bachelor. Lorenzo Borges.
Bachelor.
Bachelor is correct for 300 points. Eddie Packing.
Beef stick.
Beef stick is correct. Matt Grant.
Bachelor.
Bachelor is correct. That is correct. 4 calling birds. 4 calling birds. Here goes.
We're out of the negatives, Mr. Poet.
Guys, if Johnny Cash had been more medically precise, he would have changed his iconic line to, I shot a man in Reno just to watch him eminence, watch him coagulate, watch him can't pronounce it. Watch him extravagate.
The one you can't pronounce.
The one I can't pronounce is correct. Yes. Yes. All right. 3 French hens. Here goes. Suppose NBC decided to reboot Third Rock from the Sun. However, it takes place on Jupiter instead of Earth. What would be the most appropriate name for the new show? Would it be 6th rock from the sun, 1st gas giant from the sun, 4th inner planet from the sun, last multi-moon planet from the sun?
First gas
First
giant.
What are you going with?
I said first gas giant.
1st gas giant is correct! Is correct for 300 points. 2 turtle doves. It's now time for everyone's favorite question. You misheard right. I will read the most common misinterpretation of a popular song lyric. Your job is to tell me from the butchered song lyric who the original band or artist was that sang the song everyone sings incorrectly still today. Are we ready? All right? Are we ready? So wrong song lyric, but who sang it for real? Are we ready? I'm blue, if I was green, I would die. Is it Eiffel 65, Blue Man Group, Three
Eiffel
Doors
65.
Down, or Aqua? What are you going?
Eiffel 65.
Eiffel 65 is correct for 300 points. All right. Taking us to our last question. Last question. A partridge in a pear tree. Here goes. I will give you a clue and a board covered with answers. Next, when I say go, I will shout out a random word or phrase. Your job is to find the answer on the board that matches the word I shout out. Here is your clue. Your clue is Do what I say and you'll get it right. Do what I say and you'll get it right. Do what I say and you'll get it right. Are we ready? It's going to be fast. Pick this one.
Pick, peck, poke.
That is incorrect. The correct answer was this one. Pick your nose.
Your nose.
That is correct for 300 points. Pick, don't pick this.
Don't pick this.
That is correct for 300 points. Pick anything you want.
Anything
Anything you
That is correct over here for 300 points. Pick nothing.
Nothing.
That is correct for 300 points. Pick Paul Rudd.
Paul Rudd.
Paul Rudd is correct for 300 points. Pick me.
Me.
Me is correct for 300 points. Let's tally them up and see who won. It looks like Lenny and the Jets move on to the next round. However, we need to see who wins that donut party, who raised the most money. Let's flip it around and find out. It looks like Poetic Justice is winning another donut party. Nice job, guys.
didn't win one to start with.
Well, now you won one. That's good. Yeah, let's go. All right. Thank you all for tuning in. We will see you next round.